Welcome to this amazing journey inside a glass manufacturing factory. Glass is one of the most useful materials in the modern world. We use it in windows, bottles, smartphones, cars, and many other products. In this video, we will explore the complete glass manufacturing process, step by step. The glass manufacturing process begins with raw materials. The main ingredient of glass is silica sand. Other materials like soda ash and limestone are also added. These materials help the glass melt properly and improve its strength. The raw materials are stored in large silos inside the factory. Special machines carefully control the quantity of each material. This ensures the glass mixture has the perfect composition. All the raw materials are sent to large mixing machines. The machines blend silica sand, soda ash, and limestone together. The result is a fine mixture known as the glass batch. The prepared glass batch is transported to the furnace. Conveyor belts and automated systems carry the mixture safely. This step ensures continuous production in the factory. The glass batch enters a massive furnace. Inside the furnace, temperatures can reach around 1,700 degrees Celsius. At this high heat, the raw materials begin to melt. The materials slowly melt and turn into molten glass. The mixture becomes a thick, glowing liquid. This process removes impurities and creates a uniform glass melt. After melting, the molten glass enters the refining stage. Air bubbles and impurities are removed during this process. This makes the glass clear and strong. The molten glass is cooled slightly in a conditioning chamber. This step prepares the glass for shaping. The temperature must be carefully controlled. Now the molten glass is ready to be shaped. Different machines are used depending on the final product. Glass can be formed into sheets, bottles, or containers. For flat glass, factories use the float glass method. Molten glass flows onto a bath of molten tin. The glass spreads evenly and forms a perfectly flat surface. Rollers control the thickness of the glass sheet. This ensures the glass meets exact product specifications. Precision is very important at this stage. The glass sheet slowly moves along the float line. It gradually cools while maintaining its smooth surface. This process prevents cracks or distortions. The glass enters a long cooling tunnel called an annealing layer. Here, the glass cools slowly and evenly. This removes internal stress from the glass. After cooling, machines inspect the glass sheets. Cameras and sensors detect scratches, bubbles, or defects. Only high-quality glass moves forward. Large sheets of glass are cut into smaller sizes. Automatic cutting machines make precise cuts. This prepares the glass for different applications. The edges of the glass are smoothed using grinding machines. This makes the glass safer to handle. It also improves the appearance. Some glass products go through a tempering process. The glass is heated again and cooled rapidly. This makes tempered glass much stronger. For safety glass, 2 layers of glass are combined with a plastic layer. This process is called lamination. Laminated glass is commonly used in car windshields. Some glass receives special coatings. These coatings can reflect heat, reduce glare, or improve insulation. Coated glass is often used in modern buildings. Before packaging, the glass sheets are thoroughly cleaned. High-pressure air and brushes remove dust and particles. Quality control experts carefully inspect the finished glass. They ensure each piece meets safety and performance standards. The finished glass sheets are stacked carefully. Protective materials are placed between each sheet. This prevents damage during transportation. The packaged glass is loaded onto trucks. It is delivered to construction companies, car factories, and other industries. Glass manufacturing is a fascinating combination of science, heat, and precision. From simple sand to strong, clear glass, the process is truly impressive. Thank you for watching this journey inside a modern glass manufacturing factory.